Good morning, dear students. From exercise 6.3 already we have solved up to question number 8 in our previous classes. So now I am going to take question number 9 from the same exercise 6.3. We need to go through all questions because all are different. Okay, dear students, let's go to question number 9. Look at question number 9. Dear students, here it is said, find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Means equation of the tangent is given at a particular point. So now we need to find out which point is that on this curve, at which point the equation of the tangent will be shown. That means slope of this tangent will be equal to the slope of this slope of the tangent at that particular point on this curve. So let us find out the slope of the tangent at that particular point from the curve, from the given curve. Then we will equate it with the slope of the tangent, given tangent. How to do it? Just you see here. Suppose this is the curve, and at this point we have to find out the slope. Suppose at this point, say at x equal to a. So at this point the tangent is this one. Okay, and that tangent is given that it is equal to, its equation is y equal to x minus 11. Now if we see the this is what called function f of x is given as, that is x cube minus 11x plus 5. So now from the curve let us find out the equation of the tangent, the slope of the tangent at this particular point. So from the curve, given equation is, this is question number 9 that we are doing. So given curve is y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So then dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent to the curve, will be dy by dx will be equal to, that is 3x square minus 11. 3x square minus 11. So this is the slope of the, say it is at dy by dx, it is at suppose x equal to a. That means it will be 3a square minus 11. No? So now we can say like this again, equation of the tangent is given as y equal to x minus 11. Therefore dy by dx, from here what shall we get? 1. So now dear students, what you can say, that is this dy by dx at x equal to a, that is this is the 1, it is equal to this one. So what you can say here, that is we can say equate this equation with this equation. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2 will give us that 3a square minus 11 is equal to 1. So from here what we get? 3a square equal to 12, a square equal to plus this is 4, then a is equal to plus minus 2. Okay dear students, a is equal to plus minus 2. So now what you can say now here, that is x has got two values, that is one a is plus 2 and x has got another a, that is equal to minus 2. When x equal to 2, we can say when x equal to 2, then y will be equal to, take the equation, when x is equal to 2, then from the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. From this what you can say, 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. 2 cube is 8 and plus 5 13, minus 11 into 2 is 22, that is equal to minus 9. Okay, so one point is here, x y pair is what? One point will be 2 comma minus 9. Again if we consider x equal to minus 2, what will happen? X equal to minus 2 if we consider, if x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to, that is x cube minus 11x plus 5, that will give us minus 2 whole cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5, that is minus h plus 22 plus 5, that is 27 minus 8 is minus 19. So what we are getting here, x equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 19. That is, we got two pairs, one is minus 2 minus 19, another is 2 minus 9. Which pair can satisfy the given equation of the tangent? Given equation of tangent is, given equation of tangent is y equal to x minus 11. So now if I put here minus 9 and here 2, then minus 11, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 9. Now taking this one, so is a true statement. True statement. So what you can say, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 9, it can be. Again y equal to x minus 11. Here if we take y is equal to minus 19 and x equal to minus 2, minus 11, taking x equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 19, which is a impossible statement, which is false, which is impossible. So that means the second pair cannot satisfy the equation of the tangent. Therefore x equal xy is equal to 2 minus 9 only can satisfy the equation of y equal to x minus equation of tangent. Therefore required point is 2 comma minus 9. This is our answer. Okay, dear students. Look at question number 10, dear students. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1. That is, slope of the lines are given that are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 1. So for this curve y equal to 1 by x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. So for this curve we have to find out all the equations of the tangents which are having the same slope minus 1. Okay, dear students, just you see, since the function f of x means y is given this way, 1 by x minus 1, where x cannot take 1, that means it is not defined when it is x is equal to 1. So then we can think like this. Suppose this is 1. Through this one, let us draw one asymptote. Means a line through this one which will not be reached by the curve of the function, that is y equal to 1 by x minus 1. This is 1. So if we see here, as we will reduce the value of this x, smaller and smaller, means less than minus 1, then it will go like this. It will go very close to x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So as we will reduce the value of this x towards left hand side, as it will go towards left hand side, it will be at 1. Just you see, dear students, what will happen at 1? It will go towards infinity. But if we proceed from left hand side of 1, that means as we will go closer and closer to this 1, then it will be going downwards like this. It will go downwards like this. It will not touch that asymptote, that is at 1. So then to this it will not touch this vertical line passing through this 1. So then if it is if we proceed from right hand side of 1, then the curve will be like this. As it will be greater value of x, just you think, suppose 10 you give here, 10 minus 1 is what? 9. 1 by 9 is smaller than another value, suppose 12 we give here. 1 by 9 will be little greater than another value we give here, suppose 12 we give here. 12 minus 1 is 11. 1 by 11, 1 by 11 is smaller than 1 by 11 is smaller than again 1 by 9 again. So like that, as the value of this denominator will increase, like 1 by 13 or 1 by 12 again smaller. So then just you think that way, that as you will go larger value, taking larger values of x, then y value will go on reducing. So then we can say like this, but as you will come closer to 1, the y value will increase. So the graph will be like this, dear students. Graph will be like this. So this is the graph of this function. So the graph is though not required, but we should have the idea because there can be tangents to this curve at more than one point, which are having the same slope. Like suppose here is a tangent this way and here is a tangent this way. Both can have the same slope or not? Both this tangent and this tangent can have same slope. So that is the thing, that is the question about. We need to find out which are the points. Find the equation of all lines. First of all, we have to know at which points the tangents are there. Then we can say what are the equations of the tangents. Okay, dear students, let us do that. Given equation is, we are solving now question number 10. Question number 10 we are solving. So given equation is y equal to 1 by x minus 1, and as you know x is not equal to 1. So then dy by dx, taking the derivative of this function, 1 by minus 1 by, it will be x minus 1 the whole square, as you know this. And question says that this dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So that is according to question, slope of all the lines dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So what you can say, that means minus 1 by x minus 1 the whole square is equal to minus 1, using this equation 1. No, using the equation 1 we can say like this, using 1. So dear students, as you see, cancelling the minus sign from both sides, what you can say now, that is x minus 1 the whole square equal to 1. That means taking square root of both sides, we can say x minus 1, square root of this one will be x minus 1, square root of 1 will be plus minus 1. So we can say x is equal to, if we take this one to that side, it will be 1 plus minus 1. So 1 will be 1 plus 1, another will be 1 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 and 0. So if x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, y will be equal to, because the formula is, equation is y equal to 1 by x minus 1. Put here 2. So then it will be 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So it will be, one point will be 2, 1. No, because if we take x equal to 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 by 1. So 2, 1 is a point at which one tangent is there. Is a point on the curve, at which tangent's slope is minus 1. So that tangent is, equation of that tangent will be, therefore equation of tangent passing through 2, 0, 2, 1 is y minus y naught divided by x minus x naught is equal to f dash that x naught. No, so what you can say now, that is equal to y minus y naught. Y naught is what here, 1 divided by x minus 2, and tangent at that point, that is having slope minus 1. So therefore what you can say, y minus 1 is equal to that is equal to minus 1 into x minus 2, like this. So it will be equal to y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. So all these things, if we transpose, so this will give us x plus y is equal to, this one goes there, it will be 3. This is one equation, that means this is one equation of a tangent. Another equation will be again when x is equal to, one more point was there, when x is equal to this what called 0, take 0, x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, that is giving us 1 by 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So another point is 0 minus 1. So therefore equation of the tangent passing through 0 comma minus 1 is y minus y naught is equal to you can say like this also, f dash x naught into x minus x naught. Same only, x minus x naught you can imagine below this, same thing. So y minus y naught is minus 1 is equal to f dash x naught is minus 1 given in the question only, slope of the tangent, into x minus x naught is 0. So what we are getting here, y plus 1 is equal to minus x, or you can write y plus 1, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 is another equation of another tangent. So therefore required equations are x plus y equal to 3 and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. These are the two equations. Okay, dear students, so this is enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.